We all enjoy digital entertainment more than ever in the current situation. If you are an anime enthusiast and have watched most or even every well-known anime series and want to watch more, this video is just for you. In this video, we will be looking at 5 anime series that probably might have not heard of. Let's now get started. Log Horizon. By its 11th expansion pack, the massively multiplayer online role-playing game Elder Tale has become a global success, with a user base of millions of players. However, during the release of its 12th expansion pack, homesteading the Noosphere, 30,000 Japanese gamers who are logged on at that time of the update suddenly find themselves transported into the virtual game world and donning their in-game avatars. In the midst of the event, a socially awkward gamer named Shiroi, along with his friends Natsuko and Akatsuki, decide to team up so that they may face this world, which unfortunately has now become their reality, along with the challenges and obstacles ahead of them. Classroom of the Elite. In the not too distant future, the Japanese government has established the Tokyo Metropolitan Advanced Nurturing School, dedicated to instruct and foster the generation of people that will support the country in the future. The students are given a high degree of freedom in order to closely mimic real life. The reality is less than ideal. 4 classes A to D are ranked in order to merit and only the top classes receive favorable treatment. The story follows the perspective of Kiyotaka Ayonokoji, a quiet and unassuming boy who is not good at making friends and would rather keep his distance. He is a student of D class, which is where the school dumps its students. After meeting Susune Horikita and Kikyo Kushida, 2 other students in his class, Kiyotaka's situation begins to change. Real life. The story revolves around a 27-year-old Arata Kaizaki, a NEET, who has been unemployed for several years, only working part-time at a convenience store. One day, a mysterious man named Ryo Yako offers him a job opportunity. But first, Kaizaki needs to become a tester for real life, a scientific experiment, to make him appear 10 years younger and send him back to high school as a student. The experiment is supposed to provide a chance to experience youth once again and, in the process, fix whatever has gone wrong with the subject's life. Fruits Basket. When high school student Tohru Honda's mother dies in a car crash, Tohru decides to live with her grandfather. Renovations on the house and unsupportive and unkind family members cause her to move out of her grandfather's house temporarily, and since she has nowhere else to go, Tohru begins living in a tent and supporting herself. That is, until she finds a home in the least likely of places inhabited by her popular classmate Yuki Soma and his cousin Shigure. The first day, Tohru moves into the Soma's house. An orange-haired teenager crashes through the roof of her new bedroom and starts attacking Yuki. This newcomer is Kyo, Yuki and Shigure's aggressively angry cousin. Tohru tries to stop the fight by holding him, causing him to transform into an orange cat in front of her. The Somas live with a curse. 12 members of the family are possessed by the spirits of the Chinese zodiac and turn into their zodiac animal when they are weak, under stress, embarrassed, or when hugged by someone of the opposite gender. When Tohru discovers the Soma's secret, she promises not to tell and is allowed to keep living with them. Although the Soma's curse is deeper and darker than Tohru realized, her presence and her acceptance of them soon becomes a large, positive influence on those possessed by the zodiac. She sets out to break the curse and on the way meets and discovers the Soma's vengeful zodiac spirits. Each has a different personality, just like the animals in the Chinese zodiac. One by one, Tohru's existence changes the Soma clan's life forever. That time I got reincarnated as a slime. Satoru Mikami is an ordinary 37-year-old corporate worker living in Tokyo. He is almost content with his monotonous life despite the fact that he doesn't have a girlfriend. During a casual encounter with his colleague, an assailant pops out of nowhere and stabs him. While succumbing to his injuries, a mysterious voice echoes in his mind and recites a series of commands which he could not make sense of. After regaining consciousness, Satoru discovers that he has been reincarnated as a slime in an unfamiliar world. At the same time, he also acquires newfound skills, particularly the ability called Predator, which allows him to devour anything and mimic its appearance and skills. He stumbles upon Veldora, a castrop level storm dragon, who was sealed for 300 years for reducing a town to ashes. Feeling sorry for him, Satoru befriends the dragon, promising to help him in destroying the seal. In return, Veldora bestows upon him the name Rimuru Tempest to grant him divine protection. Now free from his stale past life, Rimuru embarks on a quest to prove his worth. As he starts to get used to his current psychic, word of his weird accomplishments starts to spread like wildfires across the world, changing his fate completely. That's it for this video. I hope you learned something new. If you like this video, then be sure to hit that like button and smash the subscribe button with the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.